Step back in time with the RK Royal Kludge S108 Typewriter mechanical keyboard, where vintage design meets modern gaming power. This wired mechanical keyboard comes with 108-round steampunk-style keycaps, giving you that retro typewriter feel while delivering the ultimate precision of blue switches. Every click is crisp, tactile, and incredibly satisfying. With RGB backlighting and vibrant side lights, you can fully customize your gaming atmosphere with dazzling colors. Whether you're gaming late at night or working during the day, this keyboard adds style and energy to your setup. It's built for gaming, everyday use, and personal productivity, perfect for laptops, PCs, and even gaming consoles. The detachable wrist rest ensures maximum comfort during long hours of use. Compact yet powerful, the S108 is designed to last, with a solid frame and unique steampunk aesthetics that turn heads instantly. So, why settle for ordinary when you can own a keyboard that's retro, stylish, and built for performance? Check the link in the first comment and get your RK Royal Kludge S108 Typewriter keyboard today.